Hi guys, my name is Katera Tatiana, and if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and follow me on social media to keep up. I'm going to start by applying some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn over my eyelids as a primer. Excuse me, I had a little jam session, you know. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. Then going in with my James Charles palette, I'm going to use that orange color, and I'm going to place that down first in a patting motion. You want to keep applying it until it's opaque. This is going to be used as my transition shade for the outer shadows. Next, I'm going to go in with this brownish red. I'm going to place that on top of where I placed that orange, blending it upward towards the orange. Then you want to go in with the brown and apply that on top of that also, but focus it more into the main lid area and then slightly blend it upward. Then I'm going to go in with this very dark brown, and I'm going to place that on top of also, focusing mainly on the inner and outer corners, and apply that in a patting motion. And like I said before, keep applying until it gets dark. Then going in with this glitter in the shade Mule by ARM Cosmetics, and my NYX glitter primer, and then also this chunky white glitter I think I got from Bare Nicole Cosmetics. Then I'm going to take this flat concealer brush and I'm going to apply some glitter glue and then lightly press in some black glitter. I didn't show you doing the first eye because I messed up. I also I patted in some black on top of that because it makes it look a lot better if you can't tell. I went in later on and removed the glitter on my other eye and then added some black and then added the glitter again. As you can see here, this is me removing that glitter and then going back in with the black eyeshadow and patting it over top. And then once you do that, you want to go in and reblend it again if you mess up like I did. But if you did not mess up, then there's no need to do this extra step. And like I did on the other eye, I'm going to go in with the glitter again. And then after I'm done with the black, I'm going to go in with the glitter glue again and place that in the inner corner, and then go in with that white chunky glitter. And you can lightly blend whatever is left on the brush into the black just so it can be a seamless blend. Then going in with my Cover FX palette, I'm going to take the brightener and I'm going to place that on my brow bone. And I think I'll also add a little bit to the inner corner just to make it pop a little bit more. This stuff is the truth. It shines so well. It looks really good as a highlighter too. So after I'm done placing that in my inner corners, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that on the my waterline. Well, no, my lid, just to darken up the lid area some more. Now I'm going to go in and do my full foundation routine. I'm not going to explain this to you. Because I'm going to do a full foundation routine video, so stay tuned for that. When I tell y'all this highlighter makes me glow, it legit makes me glow and I love it. Like, I will keep applying and applying it. This is literally my favorite. I even had to go and buy another palette because I was running out of it. The bomb. So now that I went and set my face with the Morph setting spray, I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner by Maybelline. I'm going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with that Morph bronzer. And I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I like to apply a little bit of mascara on my eyebrows just to make it a little bit more darker. Then I'm going to apply it to my upper and lower lash line, and I'm going to apply some falsies. These ones I got from Amazon. I'll try to link it below. I can't remember exactly the name of them, but they'll definitely be linked below. They're really good. Then I'm going to line my lips with this. I cannot remember the name of it, but it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. No, it's by Kat Von D, actually. It's a Kat Von D eyeliner, lip liner, and it blends so well and glides on so smoothly. Alright guys, so this is my finished hair and makeup for New Year. Next I'm going to put on my outfit so you can see the whole thing. I did a little, it's so cute. I'm feeling this bang too. But yeah, all products that I use will be linked below and also be on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I know it's been a long time, but yeah. Hope you like it. Bye.